do you see yourself after 10 years? Tama ba?
Successful billionaire.
Ah, hi. How do you see yourself after 10 years?
Architect.
Game.
Architect.
Architect na? Yun lang? Di, ano pa yung pangarap?
Pwede secret.
Ikaw. How do you see yourself after 10 years?
Ano? Ay, sir!
Oh, game. Game.
Ano? I see myself 10 years from now.
Ay!
Siguro ano na?
Oh, go.
Ano? Nanay na ako.
Hello! Game. Yung totoo, yung seryoso. Yung seryoso!
Ano? Siguro nag-aaral pa rin ako ngayon.
10 years from... Ikaw? Ganun din, nag-aaral pa rin. Okay, ikaw, how do you see yourself after 10 years?
Nasa ano na ako, UK na ako, bro.
Ikaw, how do you see yourself after 10 years? Uy, Kupal, bilisan mo na. How do you see yourself after 10 years? Seryoso! Di mo alam?
Hoy, tapos sa'yo 10 years.
Bilis na! Ikaw, how do you see yourself after 10 years?
Ikaw.
Oh, magseryoso! Nurse, ikaw. From player. Oh, ikaw. How do you see yourself after 10 years?
Diskarte.
Hey!
Promoter ng sugal. Guys, comment na.
Oh, ikaw. How do you see yourself after 10 years?
Sabi ng
Uy, ano? Ikaw. Tatay na? Game, seryoso. Uy, seryoso to.
6 feet below.
Gogi, 6 feet. Ikaw.
ano? Maganda pa din.
Sila seryoso kayo, hindi?
Maganda nga.
Ikaw.
Hindi ko alam.
Ikaw.
Rich tita.
Oh, rich tita, ikaw. Wala kang kwenta.
Mahirap sa buhay.
How do you see yourself after 10 years?
I see myself. Ilang taon na ako?
Huwag mo na bilangin, 10 years.
Hello, I see myself ano? Kami yung family. May yung family.
Ah.
Hindi na nga.
Wala pa. Ako guys, 10 years from now, syempre, successful architect na ako. Architect na kami, tapos nakapag-travel na ako around the world, di ba? Oh, wala magiging. Suntukin ko mukha nyo. Ayun. Syempre, secret na iba. Basta, successful na ako.